Hey guys, Cool Brains here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make YouTube videos using iMovie on your iPad. Now first you're going to create movie and then press movie. Then choose any two videos. In this case I'm just going to use my Wyoming Hill and Haverhill video. And then you'll get this. Now remember, it really matters what order you're putting the videos in. You're clicking the videos. So don't mind if one goes first than the other. And then after you can choose the transition you want, anyone, fade, slide, wipe, and once you have figured that out, you can press the done button. For now I'm gonna use fade. And so wait, no, yeah, that seems good. Now then you're going to press the done button and then press that little box with the arrow and then click YouTube. Okay, so click YouTube. Then you'll have all of this stuff. You can choose what you want and then press the share button. Now it might take a long time to actually post onto YouTube, so don't mind that. And that's actually how you use iMovie to make YouTube videos on your iPad. And that's all for now, and see you in the next video as always. Bye.